Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create Instagram emoji slider post. If you are using Instagram and you want to create an emoji slider poll in Instagram stories, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your Instagram app. After updating, just tap on this plus story option. Select this camera option here. Then tap on create option, or you can also try to create or click a photo. So once you have clicked the photo, just tap on the sticker option here. Then select the emoji slider option in front of the poll. So I'm going to select emoji slider here. So you just have to simply ask a question. So once you have asked the question, just tap on this done option here. And you can also retype it if you want, or you can resize it using your two fingers. And there's the emoji slider. So once you have done, just tap on this share option, or you can direct select or just choose as your own story. So once you have done, it will be shared as your own story in Instagram. So let's check this. Open your Instagram here. So in this way, you can easily make or create a poll on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.